Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to be doing a series of short videos regarding the formulas and functions. In each of the short videos, we are going to discuss what the function does, what is the syntax, meaning how are we able to write it up in a cell, and what are the various ways we can get to that function. We will just call them shorts. So the first part, which is this video, is going to be about some function which can be considered the easiest of the bunch, but it's important to understand so that we can learn how formulas and function work in Excel. The difficulties of the formulas and function will increase from one video to another, but once you guys have gone through the videos, you will be proficient with most of the formulas and function. So let's just go. So today we are going to be discussing the sum function in Excel. So we just jump right into our Excel. So here we have a few numbers table. So what does the sum function do? Allows us to do summation of a specific number of cells. It can be done for adjacent or non-adjacent cells. Adjacent meaning if the cells are adjacent to each other. 1, 2, 3, these are adjacent, these are adjacent, these are adjacent, or non-adjacent, this one and this one, or this one and this one and this one and this one, because they are not adjacent. So what is the syntax? Syntax is how we write the function in a cell, how we invoke it. So syntax is sum and then bracket, number 1 and then comma, number 2 and until 255, I think. Let me give you a demonstration. For example, we want to know how much Mr. Virat Kohli sold in the month of January, February and March in this quarter. So we are going to write is equal to sum, bracket open, and then we are going to come here and drag until 2000. And then we can close the bracket and press enter. So he was able to sell $3,000 worth of items. So at the bottom, if you want to sum, we can do the same. Sum, come here, click, left click and drag. Okay, bracket close, then it's summed. So in order to take this from formula from here to here, everywhere, the easiest way is to click here. You see this fill handle, we left click here and we drag until here. If we give, the formula is going to be copied and pasted to the cell, but it's not going to use this value. Since you paste it from here to here, it's going to use these values only. So don't be scared to just drag. Similarly, drag this formula until down, so all the values are correct. If you wanted to double check if the drag process is correct or not, we can use our sum formula for this alone. Okay, and then bracket close, then is equal to, so 1350 was our answer when we drag the thing, and 1350 is our answer when we put the formula in. So if the cells are non-adjacent, this is how we are going to do it. You click this number and you click you put in the comma and click this, close the bracket, enter. Okay, if we wanted to sum this and this, can be done is equal to sum here, comma, and this one, bracket close, and voila, our answer is here. So there is another way. There's a few ways to invoke the same thing that we just did. One of them is just click the cell where we want the sum, and then we go to this function, insert function, and then we just write the sum here. By this is much more easy because Excel is going to tell us what do we need to put. Okay, so sum is here, then we click OK, then Excel is asking is, okay, it's going to come like this, and then we can just drag and do this, and then we can just press OK, and automatically the formula is going to be implemented on the cell that we clicked, like so. Okay. There is another way, I will show you. We can click the cell, we can go to the formulas, plus tab. Okay, and then we can just choose sum, and it automatically detected. Okay, these 3 cells do you want to sum, and then we can just press enter and we get the same thing, and we can just drag and drop like so. Okay, these are the 3 ways.